Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the series of my Diwali crafts. First we will make base of 14 pieces. If you want to know how I made these pieces, please check the above eye icon or you can check the description box below. All the details are mentioned there. After completing the base, we will add one more row of 14 pieces. Next we will make simple 7 pieces stick and we need 6 of these. Just give a little round. And at the end we will add one mustard color piece. Now paste these sticks to the base, add one and then we will skip 2 edges like so and add second one. Again skip 2 pieces and add third. Continue doing it. And we will leave rest of the part like this only. And flip it over and our Diya stand is ready.